In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix page not found in Shopify. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. Under the Online Store section, select Preferences. After the Preferences page loads, scroll to the section that contains the homepage SEO and social sharing settings. This is where you'll find the homepage title and related information. Take a look at the homepage title field. Review the text currently entered there and check whether it needs to be updated. If you want to make changes, click inside the field and enter the title you want to use. Make sure the information is entered exactly the way you want it displayed. Once you've updated the title, continue reviewing the information in that section to ensure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save so the updates are applied to your store. After saving, the next part of the process is checking how the homepage information appears through Google Search Console. Sign into your Google Search Console account and locate your store's website in the dashboard. When you're viewing your property, find the URL Inspection tool. Enter your store's homepage address into the inspection field and run the inspection. After the inspection is complete, review the information shown for your homepage. Compare it with the changes you made in Shopify and check whether the title matches the updated version. If the displayed information is already updated, then the changes have been recognized successfully. If you still see older information, continue using the available options in Search Console to review the page status. You can also use the Request Indexing option from the Inspection Results page. Select that option if you want Google to process the page again after your changes have been made. Once you've completed these steps, return to Shopify and verify that the homepage settings are still saved correctly. Review the title one final time and confirm that everything appears as expected. That's the complete process shown in this tutorial. You go to Online Store, open Preferences, review and update the homepage title, save the changes, then use Google Search Console to inspect the homepage and confirm the updated information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.